Welcome to the cutting edge of advancements in sustainable buildings, automation, and engineering at Fanshawe College's Center for Research and Innovation. I'm Dr. Sepide Sarmast, Research Specialist for the Center for Connected Building Technology, also known as the CCBT Lab. Join me in discovering what our center can do for your business.
The CCBT Lab stands as a pioneering facility for industry-driven research, specializing in the development of devices and technologies across a spectrum of industries, including manufacturing, smart buildings, agriculture, and transportation. Our focus areas include printed circuit boards, PCB design and fabrication, IoT sensor integration, data analysis, as well as the design, training, and testing of machine learning algorithms. Our mission is to expedite the development of new products and processes, foster knowledge exchange, and facilitate technology transfer across diverse sectors, while promoting a robust network within the industry. The CCBT Lab caters to partners seeking assistance with new product prototyping, development, and testing, as well as optimization of manufacturing processes and digital transformation initiatives. We're committed to supporting Canadian small to medium-sized enterprises in designing and deploying innovative sensors, apps, and solutions aimed at addressing a problem or need. We validate new technologies in real-world environments that leverage Fanshawe's world-class resources and expertise and foster connections with potential adopters. This helps the businesses we work with find pathways to commercialization and implementation that accelerates the journey from concept to market. Within our state-of-the-art 1,000 square foot facility, our team of research experts are ready to assist businesses across Canada in overcoming barriers to growth through collaborative R&D projects utilizing the latest scientific equipment and infrastructure, including dedicated supercomputing capabilities through our membership with SharkNet, which support complex data processing tasks required for data-intensive IoT and machine learning applications.
I invite you to explore and learn more about the Center for Connected Building Technology by visiting our website, fanshawec.ca/research. We look forward to helping turn your R&D project into a reality.